In this series of videos, we're going to give you a dose of handy presentation tools to help you further in the creative direction. The tools have been tested and assessed on user friendliness, possibilities, and innovation. Here's what's savvy. Now that we're presenting from home, it's a lot harder to get engagement and involvement from your audience. With Visme, you ensure that involvement from your audience. By choosing from many great templates, you can immediately attract all the attention to whatever you want to reach with it. With this tool, it does not mean you need to be a guru in design or an expert. You can easily do it if you don't have any knowledge about designing at all, because the tool will teach you some stuff and you can use the templates. Visme is very easy to use and it's very popular because you can get information about it from anywhere. There will be a lot of tutorials about it on the internet, on YouTube, on different sites. So getting information on how to use this tool creatively is everywhere. The tools are just easy to find and you can just work with it easy. It just falls into place, it makes sense, it's a lot of drag drop. And you can also log in with your Google or Facebook account and get started right away. If you're logged in, you get the option to choose from different themes, for example, presentations, infographics, a web graphic, or maybe social design, or a document or print document. You can choose from a lot of different templates if you're looking for style, so don't worry, you don't have to design everything. It's a bit the same story with Visme as well, though. Just like Canva, just like piktochart, and maybe just a bit like prezi design, it just is the same. You get the same options, you get the same kind of templates, but not the wildest variety of templates, just enough to keep you interested and to let you play with cool and good looking designs. It's very effective. It's possible to upgrade your account and pay a monthly fee, but again, it's also very effective when you just use it the way you're using it for free. I think it's not such a big deal and there could be way more done with it. It could have a lot more innovation, even though it's a very easy to use program. We rate it with a solid 7.
Alright, if we get started with Visme, we open up our account and we see let's create a new visual. We quickly get to browse through all the templates there are. I took a short moment to think of what I was going to do and eventually decided to go to social media. I scrolled through some of the templates and selected one for Mother's Day because it's almost Mother's Day. I started editing right away by changing the text and removing things I did not need in this visual. I went through the layouts to see what I could do with pictures and what kind of visuals I already got from this program. And I went to search for a picture of a mother and daughter. I simply dragged and dropped my picture in, and it's very easy. If you do a right click, you can select the arrange tool and you can put things in different layers. So here I started working around with some of the colors, and I did that for way too long. So here's more of me going around with the colors, and yep, I was very undecisive at that moment. After I thought this color would suit it, I did an effect on the picture. You can give it a purple overlay that looks just like it's supposed to be there in the same branding, and I added some graphics. We have small graphics that you can choose from, just like icons or words or maybe an object that you can put in your visual, and then I present it. It slowly animates. You can export it and post it to your social media in just 15 minutes.
Do you want to know more about presentation tools and how we use them, or how you could use them? Go check the link in the description and go to the Presentsavvy website to check out more. And remember, always stay savvy.